When you don't have money, people say, "Who are you?" But when you have money, hey, how are you? Long time no see. You look so beautiful, handsome, and amazing. That's the power of money. The power of money? Money, it's more than paper numbers. It builds empires of dreams and opens doors. With it, opportunities expand. Without it, limitations arise. For true power, it's not just in having money. It's in how you use it. Spend wisely, invest modely, and never let money own you. Let money be your servant, not your master. Don't chase luxury, chase legacy, because wealth without purpose is just noise. And purpose with wealth, that's impact. Build wealth, but don't let it break your values. Let your success speak louder than your status. True richness is when your heart stays kind, even when your wallet overflows. And remember, money can buy influence, but only character earns respect. If you agree, then IP money is power in the comment.